This is Eric Thomsen, here with an example of one of our screens. It's a pair of 6-panel folding screens from the early 1600s, 400 years old, in amazing condition and incredible details. It was the Tokaido, the highway that went from Edo, the new capital, to Kyoto, the old capital of Japan. And it shows sinuous roads going along the mountains, along the ocean, and you see many travelers, hundreds of travelers, and interestingly enough, in this case also very fine details of the many stores along the way that would sell food and other things. You can even see the small red and black lacquer bowls in which the food was served. So it's a fascinating screen, and it has it's painted with ink, mineral colors on paper with gold leaf. Now the gold leaf, you can see it's old, it's irregular, and has a beautiful patina. The green is ground malachite, the blue is lapis lazuli, other materials that, because it's mineral colors, they don't fade, and even after 400 years you can have this fantastic painting in almost pristine condition.